Assalamu alaikum, children. Okay, so today we are going to count the number of children present here today, okay?
Yes.
We are going to count our heads. Okay, so let's start from here. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
MashaAllah. So how many children are present here today? Who can help me? MashaAllah, that's correct. Who can write the number in the board? Tanisha, can you come? Okay, so who can help Tanisha? Who can tell which numbers are there in 18? Raise your hands. Ishaq, which numbers are there in 18?
1, 8, 18.
MashaAllah, that's correct. Okay, Tanisha, take the pen. Now, can you help Tanisha write 18?
Yes.
Can you all take out your magic pens?
Yes.
Yes, let's help Tanisha. Okay, so write a straight line for 1 and 2 circles for an 8. MashaAllah, that's correct. High five. Okay. So if one child comes late, will we have one child more or one child less? That's right. MashaAllah, we will have one child more. Now, who can tell me what is one more than 18? Raise your hands. I want Adyan to tell me. Can you tell me? That's correct. MashaAllah. So, one more than 18 is 19. So when we have one child more, are we adding or taking away? That's correct. Okay, so today we are going to learn taking away. All right? So when we take away, we find one less. Can you all show me the sign of one less? Very good. So we have got 18 children present today. If one child goes home, we are taking away one child less. So who can tell me what is one less than 18? Raise your hands. I want Suhaira to answer. If one child goes home, so we have one child less, we take away one child. So what is 1 less than 18? Very good. That's the correct answer. Well done. So what did we learn today?
Taking away.
That's right. In our next class, we're going to learn a new fun topic.
Yay!